It ain't the woman that want. But it ain't free. From it ain't time. This is how we drop it down. We keep you rocking all the time now. Yeah, oh. There right now when I'm cool and I'm thunder. I look for the nice sexy browning over yonder. Yeah, oh. Come here baby girl, come sit up on I'm veranda. We both a little reasoning, we sit down beside ya. But ain't they greedy from 18 times? This how we do it now. They make the woman them wine. But ain't they greedy from 18 times? This how we drop it now. We keep you rocking all the time now. Yeah. Oh, so we set up us on the city behind. We said no bother make you bother for your mind. If you no bother better cool or recline. Put God in your bed, you're me boy. Drop it at the deal with the case, you deal with that proper. Tell him I'm a place, so you better know sata. In a better time, so you tell her to put up with it.
Somebody said tough, 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 tough.
Wait there.
Somebody said tough, tough,
Tough
tough,
road
tough.
explosion.
Say tough, 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 tough.
Artist explosion. Big Tufff. Big up yourself.
From top to the very last job, you know. I lift up my eyes unto the hill which cometh my help. My help coming from the Father which made heaven and earth. Jah, come with it. Yeah, man. Do you know what it means to have a friend?
Oh,
To have a friend, yes. Unconditional love with
no weekend, yeah.
They say your friends
Know your secret.
only them can leak it. So when your business stay off the road, you
Already know who's leaking. Friends for life. Pablo J.
One is some real friends.
Pablo J. General.
King Tufff, yeah.
You know,
Respect,
music is a feeling and music is a vibe, you know.
love, you know.
And the first time I heard the song, I felt it.
Respect.
The journey is real.
It's a real journey. From 1975,
Yeah, man.
I've been doing this. And it took me 42 years for them to really realize what I'm saying, because I'm just saying it because I'm here to teach and preach. You understand? It's just love, you know.
From top again.
If I didn't sing this song, it wouldn't be love.
Ah,
And I
from
don't
top.
want to be fake.
Let's go.
So if you have a real friend, do you know what it means
To have a friend.
Do you know what it means
To have a friend, yeah.
unconditional love with
No pretense, yeah.
They say your friend
Know your secret.
only them can leak it. So when your business they out the road, you
You already know who's speaking. Friends for life.
tough, you know.
Pablo G. the General.
Do you know
Love.
what it means?
To have a friend. Real song, you know.
You know, unconditional love
With no pretense, yeah.
They say
Your
your
friends
friend
know your secret.
and only them can leak it. So when your business they out the road,
You already know who's friends for life.
this one is some real friends. If they fake what them up, you don't need them. Love them real, what a wolf fishy friend. My love can be more than you know. No need to rush, take it slow, girl. Pump it from top again, pump it from top again, pump it from top again. As I would say, night and day. Yeah. They said true love is hard to find, but yours found right. Find it for a lifetime. Yeah. And I love the way you shine. Time after time, you keep running through my mind. We work as friends, from there we grow. Strong is day till the chose for this. Below or less, that they wouldn't stress, but comfort and bless us. My love can be more than you know. No need to rush, take it slow, girl.
Big up all of the veterans artists. Now, hold on there. Hold on. It no matter, you know. You could have born a Trinidad. We still want to see rhythm. Seeing Batman. You could have born a Guyana. You could have born a St. Lucia, Antigua. When you fly go back, you fly go back at your yard. So you see that one I know? This is for every yard, man. You see me? Alright then. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Check it. Keep it right at that tempo, I like it. Now I want to talk to people, I want to give them some lyrics. Yeah, no. Yard man in the yard, smoking hard. Yard man.
I want to say love to the island for coming out, yo. Love to everybody. Officially love to everybody. I go by the name of Mackie J, the Ghetto Brigadier. Right? Under the Think Tufff camp. Deputy Commander in the Think Tufff camp. In case you wonder who the commander is the Most High. I'm just the deputy. Yeah? So name Tufff Road.
Tufff Road.
Musical journey, brother. The journey is real, that's why it's Tufff Road. Diamond Stone, you know. Uncle Jinx over there, you know. You know. But Uncle Jinx, I want you to pick up the bass and pick up the bass and pick up the bass and 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 bass. Uncle Jinx, we need some bass over here. Uncle Jinx, we need some bass over here. Yeah, we need some bass over here. We need some bass, we need some bass, we need some bass over here. I want you to do my favor, right, Uncle Jinx? And just play the bass like so, like so. Just move like so, This is stage show time. Somebody says stage show. Somebody says stage show time. Somebody says stage show. Uncle Jinx. Take two. Take two. Take two. I'm shouting to the land I am from. There's a place for me. They have so. Tell them artists. My ancient home.
Place for me in love.
Oh.
I'm ready for the land I am from. There's a place for me in love. Come on, my fellow man, stop. I'm ready for the land I am from. Africa, my ancient home. There's a place for me in love. Take me back to the mother of creation, to the birthplace of a peculiar nation. Life and strong, a great civilization. We need to wake up to this realization. From those who are making coming on, from me to Oka to the up and down valley. Tell them my story as history we call it. I from the melodies of drum. Ready to the land I am from. Africa, my ancient home.
Hey, hold on, wait now. Anybody want ganja? Anybody want ganja? Hold on, wait. Please, can I see one lighter, please?
One lighter, please.
Can I see one lighter, please?
Two lighter, please.
And if it's two lighter, please?
Four lighter, please.
And if fi street light a blaze. Anybody girl, gotcha, say yeah. Anybody girl, say gotcha, say yeah. High grade in me head, question. Bless the love, yeah, love. To you over there, So tell them like this. Who's in town? Think of campus in town. Who's in town?
Think of camping the town.
Hey, who catch the fire at the camp? Who light up the can at the camp? Who think of the camp? Hybrid no fear, that is my stamp. Graded on me head, pretty girl in me bed. She a more than a bed. She wants to be a part of the iron and there. Graded on me head, Lord. Pretty girl in me bed, Lord. And she a more than a bed, Lord. She wants to be a part of the iron and there. Look at me here, naughty up and it's a rasta thing. Shade on me neck and it's a rasta bling. Pretty girls love to hear when the rasta sing. Think of camp, we are rasta. Brain on me head. Ah. Yo, this is my musical brother this. Yeah, every time we catch up this, I love and a joy. It's a pleasure every time.
Where do we go from here?
The fight for years, we kept through the whole lot. Judge, you were responsible for my happiness. Now
Now that I've humble, nothing will get between me and you. Season come and season go, and we still go on, yeah. Friends may have much to say, never seem to understand. But now the humble in these words of the song, yeah. Let me tell you in these words of my song.
Just a matter of time, time. Just a matter of time, time. A matter of time, young man. A matter of time, young girl. A matter of time, time. Just a matter of time. Turn around to cut in their signs. Running around town, acting they're blind. Running around town, what is teeth in the sign? Time. It's a matter of time, bow. It's a matter of time. Decatur is my friend. Money ends.
In this relation, we go on forever, keeping it our best shot. On through the season, the fight for years, we've kept through the whole lot. Girl, you are responsible for my happiness. You turn my gray sky blue. Now that I'm humble, nothing will get between me and you. Season come and season go, and we still go on. Bearing the fruits of love, this love life as the sound, yeah. Friends may have much to say, never seem to understand. But let me tell you these words. From season to season, more of your beautiful ways unfolding. Makes me grateful, thankful, ever mindful, your true colors my eyes beholding. Just like the rose, anywhere you go there I know you're outstanding. Cannot be silent for a moment in your presence. Compliment for you, girl, free something, yeah. Season come and season go, and we still go on. Bearing the fruits of love, this love life has the sound, yeah. Friends may have much to say, never seem to understand. But let me tell you these words.
This one is for the people who is under pressure. You have to understand. Whoa. Living the life in Babylon. Mackie J, Tufff road. What do you stand? Oh, give the people what they want. Give the Yeah, man. Each and everyone, enough respect. King Tufff Camp, this Tufff road. This one for the people.
Hold on.
Sing.
Elder Pablo G, take it low. I want to officially say, blessed love, King Tufff Camp. Empress, please join the king. Enough love to everybody who came out making Tufff Road, Artiste Explosion, an amazing one. You know? Officially from King Tufff Camp, I want to say love to the Empress and to the King for blessing. Yeah, I said for blessing my tour. Thank you. Words could hardly explain. I can't put words together. I've been longing for good music, and that's what I'm searching for. Blessed love.
Respect
To the king and queen. Love, yeah? Think Tufff Camp. Love. Give it up.
Living in this world of total confusion. This one is freedom. This one is for the people who is under pressure. You have to understand. Whoa, living the life in Babylon. Well, boy, or do you stand? Yeah, give the people what they want. Give the people what they need now. Give the people what they want. Give the people what they need now.
Sister in love, everybody, Pablo G, Empress, Artiste, Empress, Omaji. Yeah, Pablo G, respect. In every aspect, yeah, love. Love to all the Empress, you know. Love to all the Empress, cause the Empress divine. Brother, I hear you spoke earlier of acknowledging a queen in your life. Yeah? That's what a real man do. It's a real man's job, yeah? I have my Empress too. Yeah, Empress too. Oh, I've got my Empress too. Oh, the brown skin girl from the ghetto, she have me heart. The brown skin girl from the ghetto, in my thoughts. Yeah. Brown skin girl from the ghetto, she have me heart. Brown skin girl from the ghetto, in my thoughts. Yeah. Pretty brown skin girl from Guyana. Brown skin girl from Jamaica. Them brown skin girls from all over the world. Baby, in your heart. Pretty smile and your dimple. You make me pretty look simple. You make pretty look simple. Now you got me wrapped up in your love. You that I'm thinking of. From the first time that she touched me, something magically happened to me. I know me can't get over you, can't get over you. So I look my Empress deep in the eyes, and I smile and she smiled back to me. It's like love is a fantasy. I say in your eyes, pretty smile and your dimple. You make me pretty look simple. Empress, you make pretty look. Cause now you got me wrapped up in your love. You that I'm thinking of. From the first time that you touched me, baby, something magically happened to me. Love you in a real life. Me don't want no undercover thing, baby. I love you in a real life. Me don't want no undercover thing, baby. The brown skin girl, Uncle Jinx, have me heart. Got my heart, Uncle Jinx. The brown skin girl from the ghetto, Uncle Jinx, love in every aspect. Uncle Jinx, I know in most of the videos, for the idea that following thing Tufff can't put Steve is Marky G and Uncle Jinx, yeah? Real OG, triple OG. This is my real OG. You can't get the OG, as Tufff was my OG. You telling you? Uncle Jinx, love being on the journey once again, yeah? This is Tufff Run. We coming from far, so wait, so we far from one? We far from one? Love. Thanks for running out, Uncle Jinx. You know what I mean? Chat something on it. Yeah. Me never want to be no gunman coming. You want a fresh feeling. Jumping at the plane and fly over the land. The thing tough. Get to your mail and sleep on your grind every day. Cause we have money on we mind every day. Yeah, when bad mind coming our way. As I get to you to fling them away. Because house and car that we want. Yeah, pretty lifestyle that we want. Uplift the garrison, that's what we want. Dirty Babylon try tell us how we can. But get to your money and fame that we want. And that we want. Uplift the garrison. Yo, Tufff Rod. Diamonds go and chat to them now. Them tough.
We make it out the struggle, so
We hustle hard.
push a lot of hustle.
Them mother go back.
Never ace on the jungle, knees never buckle. Got to make your dreams
Them
then
shock of that.